What's going on, guys? So I wanted to do a different type of trade. I talked about earlier how I was going to be done for the day. Yes, I was done for the day, but I was like, I want to try one little thing. Try something that I normally don't do. Try a, different type of short. And it ended up working out beautifully. I'll look for an opportunity. I'll look for some type of short, something that I can just kind of jump in on, let it ride kind of thing. I ended up finding CAR. CAR, Avis Car Company. They're bad. They're down on bad news today. Overall market not looking that hot. So you got some of the overall market kind of bouncing back right now, actually. But overall, the market's down on the day. It's not looking that hot. It's right at the red to green. But so CAR is going to be a bigger type of company, big stock. This is a big cap stock. This isn't like a little penny stock that we trade normally. This is something a little bit different, a little bit bigger. I got in on this trade and I totally forgot about it. If that makes any sense. So I forgot about this trade. I put my stop loss out there. I was like, hey, I'm going to put my stop loss here at the 43.80 area. I'm going to let it ride, and I'll come back and check it in a couple minutes, see what happens. And I forgot to check it. I was actually working on some other stuff on behind me on the miner, and I totally forgot. And I literally just went to log out of SureTrader to see what was going on, just to see what the end of the day was there. And then I saw it was up $500. I was like, holy crap. I'm in a stock still. I'm in a trade. Wow. So that worked out beautifully for me. So maybe it should work out. So maybe I should do this more often. Maybe I should just walk away, let it ride kind of thing. But you can see why I did what I did. And hoping maybe we get back down to that $42 area. Get a full $1 a share there. But you can see CARA. This is a 5-minute chart, probably a little bit easier. This morning selling off from the 49.25 area. It's down there to 42 right now. So it was basically sell, sell, sell all morning long. A lot of opportunities to sell there, but I was a little late to the game here. It got down here to the $43 area, and I started looking at it. I was like, okay, we're looking like we might want to pull back. If we break below this $43 area, this will easily get down there to the $42 area. So that's what I looked for. I ended up going short here, 43, 44. It started to bounce back, and then I'm looking at it like, okay, I have this resistance here. We got the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA, so I should be okay. As long as this stays below 43.80 area, I think I'm going to be good. So that was my game plan. I ended up going short there. I thought we were just going to keep on rolling off there. I thought we were going to just pull on down and make the next move lower, but we did kind of find some support and bounce up to that 480 area, which wasn't a bad thing. I was kind of watching, like, okay, that's fine. I'll let it be. But look at it now. It's down there to 42. I could have taken profit there at the $42 area, but like I said, I totally forgot. I forgot about this trade. I don't know what happened. I was working on some other videos, and I totally forgot that I was in this trade. Because like I said, I normally don't do these types of trades. Most of the time when I do end up shorting these types of stocks, it'll just be a quick little drop, take some profit kind of thing. But this worked out beautifully for me. And it actually, like I said, would have been even lower if I would have just been paying attention earlier. But instead, I was actually turned around back there on that computer. So that's the problem with having two computers right now, is I need to focus on both computers. But you can see CAR down 13% on the day. There are shares to short, so that's what I was looking for. Opportunity to go short here. And let's see if we can break through this 42.50 area right now. Like I said, showing you my entry there at the 43.44 area, going short 500 shares. Just 500 shares, nothing too crazy. It's another reason that I wasn't paying attention, because it wasn't that big of a position. But still, 500 shares, $42 stock, not that bad. So see if we can kind of roll off here into close, or if we're going to bounce back into close. So there we go. Look, if we get down to this 42.30 area, 42.47. Remember, this is a large cap stock. This isn't a total crap company that we normally trade. So not expecting some insane, fast move here. But there it is, getting down there to the 42.42 area. See, this is going to hold right now. I'm going to take profit right there because it's $1 a share. I got $1 a share. We're getting close to the end of the day there. I don't want this thing squeezing on me, but there it goes. Look at it. Wow. Down there to 42.39 now. This trade worked out beautifully. Getting into it, knowing where I was going to take profit at, where my stop loss was, knowing all that stuff going into this trade. That's the key. I talk about this all the time, how important it is to really understand what you're getting into. So if you get into it knowing, okay, I'm risking $200 to possibly make $500, $600 here, that's a pretty good trade. And I'll take that trade all day, every day. I'm kind of embarrassed because I literally missed this drop down there to the 42.10 area. I would have definitely taken profit at that point. But look at it, down there to 42.10, earlier, hit 42.11. That would have been over $1 a share, over almost $600 in profit there. So that's exactly kind of my goal from the beginning. So my goal really was to go short here at the $43 area and look for that move back down to the 40, and look for that move down there to the $42 area, as this was kind of consolidating through here, and this stock wasn't able to get over that 43, not getting over there, so having trouble there, and that's what I was looking for, this breakdown here, down there to the $42 area. So not a bad trade on CAR today. You can see boom, boom, boom on the way down there. I'm pretty happy with that, actually. It's a surprise. Honestly, it was a surprise for me. I didn't even know I was in this short until I saw. Like, I literally came over here. I was like, oh, let me see what's going on in the market. And then I saw that I was up 500 bucks. And I was like, holy crap, I'm in a trade right now. So it's kind of like I fell asleep driving today and taking profit. Looking like a little bounce here on CAR. Normally, you know, end of the day, you can get two different reactions. You can have a bounce. You can have a squeeze at the end of the day of shorts covering. People like me that are like, hey, I'm done. I'm out. I'm taking my profit kind of thing. Or you might have people who are scared that this might keep crashing, so they might be selling there at the end of the day. But normally, I normally a lot of times I'll see a little bit of a squeeze right there before close, because shorts are all trying to cover the positions. They don't want to hold it overnight or whatever like that. So that looks like what we're gonna get there. A little bit of a kind of just standstill there at the 42.40 area. So I ended up covering there at 42.43. I'm happy with that. And boom, done for the day. It's almost 4 o'clock. Normally I never trade this late, but like I said, I was looking for some kind of slow mover, something I could get, you know, $1 a share. I was looking around. I found CAR on the top loser list. So every once in a while I'll take a look at this list just to see what stocks are moving around, what stocks are down on the day. And you can see, where is it? CAR right there. CAR, I clicked on it. I saw the chart. It was looking pretty bearish. And I was thinking, okay, might be a good opportunity for a short. So that's what I did. I ended up going short and then was using that 43.80 area as my stop loss. And then boom, well, there it is. CAR down there to 42. I'm actually, I think it's really funny that I forgot about this trade. And I don't think I've ever had this happen before where I forgot that I was in a trade, but that worked out beautifully.